Today, I'm going to show you how to create and export subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step, so you can add clean, professional captions to your videos and export them as a separate subtitle file. This is a really useful workflow if you want your videos to be more accessible, easier to follow, and better optimized for viewers who watch without sound. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Now, let's jump right in. First, open the Edit page by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom of the DaVinci Resolve interface. This is where you'll be working with your timeline, clips, and subtitle track. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left corner and open the Effects library. This panel contains all the editing tools and elements you can add into your project. Inside the Effects library, go to Toolbox, then click Titles, and scroll down until you find Subtitle at the bottom of the list. This is the subtitle item you need in order to create proper subtitle clips on your timeline. Now drag the subtitle item directly onto the very top track of your timeline. When you do this, DaVinci Resolve creates a dedicated subtitle track labeled ST1. That track is specifically designed for subtitle text, so everything stays organized and easy to manage. Next, move the playhead to the start of the first spoken sentence in your video. This is important because you want your subtitle to appear at the correct timing. Once you've found the right spot, select the subtitle clip on the timeline. After selecting it, go to the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the screen. In the Inspector, make sure the Caption tab is selected. This is where you'll enter and edit the actual subtitle text. Now type your text into the custom caption box. This is the area where your subtitle content is written manually. Keep it short, clear, and easy to read, since subtitles work best when they match the spoken words closely. If you need to add the next line or the next subtitle, move the playhead forward to the next point in the audio, and then click Create New in the Inspector. This lets you build subtitles one by one across your timeline without having to start over each time. As you continue adding subtitles, you may want to make them look consistent across the entire track. To do that, click the Track Style tab in the Inspector. This is where you can globally change the font, size, color, and background for every subtitle on that track. So instead of adjusting each subtitle individually, you can style the whole set at once. That saves time and keeps your captions looking clean, professional, and easy to read. Once your subtitles are in place and styled the way you want, it's time to export them. To export subtitles as a separate file, go to the Deliver page. This is the Export section of DaVinci Resolve where you prepare your final output. Scroll down until you find the Subtitle Settings section. Here, you can choose how your subtitles will be exported. Set the export subtitle format to the file type you need, such as SRT. SRT is one of the most common subtitle formats and works with many platforms and video players. After that, choose the subtitle track you want to export, so Resolve knows exactly which captions to include. Then add the job to the render queue. Once it's there, click Render All to begin the render process. When the render finishes, your subtitle file will export along with your render, giving you both the video and the subtitle file ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 20, style them globally, and export them properly as a separate file. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.